Hello, fellow learners. Today we will be making this using masking to enhance your video editing skills. First, have one of your clips on the timeline, go to text, and drag and drop the default text option above your first clip. Let's then change the text to whatever we would like, change the character to space the letters out just a bit. After that, I'll add some glow to the text to make it pop. Resize the text and add it at the bottom left corner. Once we have the text where we'd like it, let's add our animation. I selected slide left because each mask will be coming into the frame from the left. Make the duration of the in animation just a few seconds longer. Let's stretch the text to go the entire length of the clip and go back and add our next MP4 clip. Once we have added our next clip, let's drag it down to the timeline above the first set of text. Move your cursor to the front of the clip and select it. Then select Add Mask and choose a split. Rotate the mask to 90 degrees, click and drag the white line all the way to the right. Now click Add Keyframe. Choose the location on the clip you want your mask to move to, and then drag the white line back to the location on the clip you want. Click on Add Keyframe again. You can also drag the little white arrow to add feathering. This makes it look more natural. Now we just need to repeat the text process as we did earlier. Here we can split the clip so it is the same length as our other clip. Finally, we will add an out animation to our text. I chose the blur left option so the text fades out to the left. Add this animation to the other two text boxes on the timeline. You can also change the out duration to make each leave a little before the other. Let's add some epic music to tie this all together. Split the music at the end so it matches the clip length, and let's add a 1-second fade out. Just like that, we are done.